The Great Famine of 1315 by Callan Crawford. The Great Famine led to stark increase in crime, even among not normally inclined to criminal activity, who would resort to any means to feed themselves or their family. The Great Famine would later have consequences on future events in the 14th century. For example, the Black Death, when an already awakened population would be struck again. In a society where the final result for all problems had been religion, and where Roman Catholicism was the only tolerated faith, no amount of prayer seemed effective against the causes of the famine, undermining the institutional authority of the Catholic Church. The Great Famine affected Europe with the crop failures, such as the farmer not being able to produce foods because of not enough people to harvest and something wrong with the soil, which later caused people to be scavenging for food. This shows that they were tearing their own community apart, and people became very mad and vicious. There have been even reports of cannibalism, mass death, disease, and suicide. People eventually left Europe for Russia, and because there was so much death, they ended the period of growth and prosperity. They would work for everything, but medieval Europe in the 14th century had already experienced widespread social violence and even acts then by punishable by death, such as rape and murder, which were much more common compared to modern times.